we need to get our PDP sorted out, because mine and Cindy's is only valid for another 2 months. We didn't know, but this thing is a 2-year valid license.
New studio, new lady, Manaqualand area.
Here we are, a new supper that we're tucking into with great gusto. This is nice.
Grape picking, African limousine, waterfalls, birds' nests. We're traveling around South Africa from the bottom to the top. Cindy and Graham explore. Enjoy! So this is the kitty. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. So this is the new color that's popping up.
So here we are leaving Springbok and we're on our way to Lambert Bay. It's quite a way. As usual, Jaunti is following Dinky Toy. As we drive and look at all the rockeries around, we're going to miss this like crazy because it was such a beautiful sight to look at every day. It's about 3 or 4 hours drive, and we're doing it in our ease. Leaving Springbok, going through the mountains. We're going southwest, so we're going to go around Cape Way. We're planning on making a stop at Garies. It's a little town between the two places, and apparently it's quite a busy little town.
How gorgeous is this? This mountain is so beautiful. The stunning valley. He's just gone past me. Gorgeous. Look at that bridge. Oh wow! How beautiful is that? There goes John's over the bridge. I love bridges. And this beautiful valley going down the hill. Yeah, we're in the Cape Winelands. We're going to be going and seeing Stellenbosch and all that. But yeah, this is in the valley. How stunning. All the vines. We stopped, and this is the stunning valley that we're at in the Western Cape before we go to the place we're going. And the whole valley.
Beautiful mountains and clouds.
The scenery's changed again. Totally different.
I nearly rode over that little tree. Okay.
Garies Toeristenstal. It was so gorgeous to be in here. I loved it. We had some coffee and cake. Apparently they get so busy in August. A whole lot of buses will arrive with 200 people, and she has to serve all these people coming in, and it's a big tourist attraction with the Namaqualand daisies. So this is a nice coffee shop. We've just had coffee at in Garies. It's beautiful. We had a gorgeous cake. Yeah, and they got beautiful things here to buy. Beautiful. Yeah. So enjoy and have a visit. Ah, Graham, where have you been?
Hello, I've been in this shop here. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, our first coffee in our new environment. Excuse me, we're setting up. How's this for a view?
I thought I'd go and get some physical exercise and climb up the dune.
Graham is climbing a sand dune.
Coming up the sand dune. Don't switch back. Just straight up.
Tell me what's at the top. What's at the top?
Another sand dune here. So we were walking up the sand dunes here on the one side of a closed estuary. Our caravan park was the other side of this estuary, where the seaside is over there. You can have a look. But yes, we enjoyed it so much.
Lots of surfers in the sea here. Beautiful red flowers. It's just like sedgefield around the edge of the lagoon.
We were barefoot, so there was a lot of thorns and twigs and things.
Are you earthing? Oh, look, he's earthing.
Even if I have to go uphill.
Oh, he's earthing.
Dunes. Cindy chilling and enjoying the scene. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a windsurfer? Actually like a little jetty and harbour top place. I don't know if you can see anything. I can't see. It's dark here.
Have you made it big?
I've tried.
It's beautiful. What a beautiful place. Okay, so this is something. This wine, and I've added it with Sprite, is for my 60th birthday, which is 8 years ago. Jill gave it to me. I mean, we took it 8 years, and it tastes divine. The Sprite.
Wow.
Yeah. So there you are. Wine with a view.
So this is the wine. This is the wine we're drinking. Durbanville.
Yeah.
And we're using 8-year-old Sprite in it.
That is lying about, but the wine's 8 years old. Gee, and it tastes mature and beautiful.
Not bad, not bad.
Very sweet, and I like. Okay, that is a Sprite, but yeah, I'm loving it. Wow. Cheers, babes.
Cheers! You're 60th, now it's 68. The next day we went into town to go and discover and explore a bit further. And we found this beautiful old shop there. Okay, so Cindy, where are we going here?
It's a beautiful coffee shop. It's an art shop as well.
Ah,
It's called the Mad Hatter. I
the
like
Mad
places
Hatter.
like
Where
that.
is the Mad Hatter?
It's
Over there,
round-
yeah. Right up here. The sign says the Mad Hatter up here. Stop. Wait a minute. Oh my cup. Put some coffee in it.
Bruno Mars.
Oh, okay.
That's your style there.
Yeah.
Hello.
So easy to MC Square. Energy, milk and coffee.
Beautiful word.
Actually, the whole place is quaint, really. It's very nice. Different little places and artwork and people and all sorts of beautiful little things. Displayed is a lot of baskets and there's preserved fruit in jars. So here we were in this beautiful place and Cindy was talking to the guy there. They have classes for art. Hi Cindy, where are you?
The Mad Hatter.
Ah, okay.
Coffee
So
shop.
all of this beautiful stuff. Like the chandelier and
This is
everything.
bar style.
Mm,
Where I can sit and just.
yeah.
I'm going to sit there and have coffee here.
Look at all the silk flykies. This reminds me of the place we went to in Melissa.
Oh yes, that tin place.
What was it called? Exquisite, Grand Exquisite or something.
Grand Exotica. Grand
Ah,
Exotica.
Grand Exotica, yeah. Oh,
This
nice.
is an artist who lives here now.
Mm.
So I'm in a lazy boy chair now.
Oh, that was my cheese, sorry bugger.
So the artist that Graham's been showing is Hubert Liebenberg.
Yeah,
Very nice work, beautiful.
yeah, look at this thing.
Yeah.
That's a
And
cute
then that
place.
side of the coffee shop is okay.
The way? Cute place.
Yeah.
And it's this time of the day already. And we just asked Cindy, what are you having and where are you?
Carrot cake at Manhattan.
Well, I'm going to eat this before you.
And
I
I
really
tell
had
you,
a big mouthful.
This is divine. You know, sometimes you get a cappuccino that's a bit strong, and this is just.
Okay. Here we go.
So Cindy thought while we were at the beach we may as well go and have a look for her favourite, looking for glass and shells and all those type of things. Okay, so what have you found here, Cindy? What are you doing?
I can't stop collecting shells and glass. And I'm on,
Steroid.
what's this? Lambert's Bay Beach. Look at these shells for my lamps.
Okay.
They're so different. I've only found 3 like this. They're huge. They're so beautiful. I don't know what kind of urchin it comes from. Like,
A section of a whale, it's a vertebrae. Quite a big one. Okay, so now what we've done is we need to get our PDPs sorted out because mine and Cindy's is only valid for another 2 months. We didn't know, but this thing is a 2-year valid license, and it's a PDP that we have to have for our van. So we came to the municipality here and we've just been notified that they can't test our eyes and do our fingerprints because people aren't here and it's going to take a while. So we decided we might go further down and do it there, lower down towards Cape Town, so that if we are in Cape Town we can always come back, because apparently it takes over 6 months to get your PDP from the department. They're still waiting here for December's application. So that's January, February, March, April. That's already 4 months. So we can't sit around here for 6 months. So we're going to go down towards Cape Town, and wherever we are, maybe Langebaan or somewhere like that, we can get and apply there and get it, and go down on our trip to Cape Town. And if we come back when it's ready, it's not as far as coming back to here. Flying my ear. But yeah, so the PDP is going to take a bit of time. We've got the letter and everything. You need a doctor's letter, you need a fingerprint statement, and you need also an eye test thing, and proof of address and your ID or all that. So yeah, that we've got. We've just got to wait for the fingerprints and the eye test, and then we've got to wait here. So we're going to go down and take it from there and see how it goes.
Yeah, and also you have to collect it at the same place
Yes,
put
you
it
can't
in
have it posted.
Yeah.
It has to be collected where it's been
So that's
issued,
the problem.
where you've applied. So that is the big problem. Otherwise we do it here and go and pitch it down in Cape Town, but you can't.
But we're going to go closer to Cape Town.
Yeah, we're going
to do
that
it,
way.
yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
that's how we do it.
Bye.
Ciao.
Morning, Graham.
Good morning. Wow, that's quite a bright sunshine.
I'm
looking at Nelson down the road there.
Oh, but yeah, you're dark now. And there's wind.
Very nice.
But it's beautiful. Look at the sea. We're just sitting on the beach this morning.
Did you guys still fish?
Oh, it's raining.
So Cindy's going to help us today by saying goodbye, but first we had something else.
Thanks for buying coffees.
Yes, thank you for the coffee, guys.
Thank you. And we just want to say subscribe, like, if you made it to the end.
Yeah.
Show us by a little emoji that you showed us that you
There
came
you
to
go.
the end. And a coffee one. We love coffee.
Yes, we love coffee.
And you want to say goodbye, God bless, and see you next Sunday, 5 p.m.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.